I will make 3 menus out of 50 pesos na gurayan. You know what gurayan is? That is a small fish called dilis. That dilis can be made or can be cooked as paksiw, kinilaw, and fried. So, tingnan nyo how I made this 3 menu out of this 50 pesos gorayan. That is half a kilo. Last time I bought in the market. So, para maging masarap ang aming ulam ngayon, ito ang ginawa ko. Mayroon akong kinilaw dyan, nga gamay. Pinaksiw nga ginputos sa dahon. Then, fried dilis. Nga, siyempre, para maging okay siya, we have to make a butter out of it and fried that fish. So, that's how I cook 3 menus of 50 pesos nga gurayan. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. That is how I did it for today para may ulam kami sa panyaga. Para luto ng ating pinaksiw. Then, ang ating kinilaw is already ready na rin. Kag ang ating i-fried natin is about to be made. About to be made. Ano ang himuon? Takon paano mag-fried katon niya dilis na dian. Siyempre, we have to make butter, the flour, and the egg. So, that's how I cook our ulam for today. The menu, 3 menu out of 50 pesos nga isda. Pwede man balik kita makakaan kang iba-iba nga putahe. Bisan ginagmay lang ang atin nga food, still we can have it kung may idea ka para nga mangin saboroso ang imong nga ulam for that day. Araw, lapit na maluto yan. Okay, so here is it. The 3 menu for dilis. Thank you so much.